Under agency principles, if a fiduciary principal-agent relationship exists between two parties, the agent possesses the authority to act on the principal's behalf. In Dweck v. Nasser, the court considered whether a principal-agent relationship exists between a client and his attorney if the client denies such a relationship. Gila Dweck was the president, CEO, and a minority shareholder of Kids International Incorporated. Albert Nasser was the company's majority shareholder and sat on its board of directors. After a dispute in 2005, Dweck filed suit against Nasser for breach of fiduciary duty. Through counsel, Dweck and Nasser engaged in lengthy settlement negotiations. Nasser had already retained a litigation attorney to represent him in the litigation, but Nasser chose to use his longtime friend and primary personal attorney of over 20 years to represent him in the settlement negotiations. In 2007, despite Nasser's previous stubbornness on the terms of the potential settlement, Nasser informed his litigation attorney that Nasser had told his settlement attorney to settle the case. Thereafter, the parties went back and forth on the draft terms of a settlement agreement. Once the parties reached terms that satisfied Nasser, Nasser's settlement attorney received Nasser's consent and informed Dweck's attorney that Nasser had approved the terms and would sign the settlement agreement. However, Nasser subsequently refused to sign the agreement, claiming that he never saw or approved the final version. Nasser later told his litigation attorney that he never gave his settlement attorney the authority to enter into the settlement agreement on Nasser's behalf. Yet, Nasser had previously told both attorneys that he didn't intend to read the settlement agreement and would sign when the settlement attorney instructed him to do so. Dweck filed a motion to enforce the settlement agreement in the Delaware Court of Chancery.